One of the keys to anti-aging is circulation. Circulation is so important for carrying oxygen and nutrients to your cells, for getting rid of waste products out of the body, and people have become very sedentary. They were already sedentary before COVID, and afterwards even worse. And then as you get older, sometimes there's balance issues, there are coordination issues, there's mobility issues. One of the best things you can do for your circulation is get on a Vibrogenics. This is incredible for increasing the circulation, and in fact, in 10 minutes, you get the same as 1 hour of cardio as far as enhanced circulation in the body. There's also over 3,000 frequency formulas, and these are all in sound format. You're actually standing on a plate that has really powerful voice coils, and sound travels really well through the body. The body loves sound. So one of the best things you can do for anti-aging and circulation is to get on this machine. We've actually had clients that have Raynaud's disease, and their hands and feet are white, and after about a month of therapy 3 times a week, everything turns back to normal. All of that circulation problem goes away. So super important for circulatory issues, very important for anti-aging, something very important to me because now I'm 60 and I get on this every day just to keep everything moving. Lymphatic, circulation, all of it. You should try one. Vibrogenics.com. I'm Dr. Caroline, the CEO and founder.